From the beginning to the end, the film confronts you with what you don't want to know, and maybe even what you don't want to see. Also on behalf of my fairy jury members, Anouk Singh and Norman de Palm, I have the honor to announce the winner of this year's Yellow Robin Award. God Loves the Fighter.
Ja, man!
Now I'm going to leave you in the very good hands of Jan de Staring, Managing Director of the International Film Festival of Rotterdam.
Omdraaien.
Hallo, hallo.
Omdraaien.
Omdraaien.
Hallo, hallo, hallo.
I don't see any. Yes, thanks.
Used to the Dutch
Yes, I know.
way to go, right?
And also shaking hands in Curac, I'm supposed to end it with that.
Right. I learned that from you then. So I'm very proud that I can give you this, and there's also this nice award for in your house or in your studio maybe. Next to this nice money prize that I'm sure is in good hands maybe for your next film, but I'll ask for you later. We're going to screen your film in Rotterdam, and I'm very proud that this can be a stepping stone towards Rotterdam, and I hope Rotterdam is a stepping stone for you to the rest of the world. And I'm sure that we'll find some nice opportunities in Rotterdam for you to meet young filmmakers from the city that I'm sure will find in you a great role model, as you've been a role model here on this island. And I'm very proud that we can have you in Rotterdam. Maybe you would like to.
No idea.
I don't see her.
I guess let me say something. Right? You have to. Just thank you all for having me here this week. I cannot believe this is like a dream right now, I guess. So I'm really looking forward to the people that I've met here this week, just from locals to everyone involved with this festival. You have, I guess, continued the journey. God loves the fighter. We are still alive. Right? So I don't know how long the fight is going to last, but we're in it. And I thank you so much.